Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here in January with Boxycharm. Okay.
Hopefully you guys had a good New Year's. I was sick. And she looked gorgeous, but she was sick too. But I was sick. I looked like a hot mess worse than myself today.
I had to think for a second. I was like, oh yeah, I was in a pretty dress as if we were going to go somewhere, but we didn't go anywhere. It says Boxy and Chill. So then, of course, on the back it tells you, I think, what you're getting. So there's that.
Speaking of chill, it's been pretty cold lately here in California. Well, for us Californians.
Uh-oh.
But today it's been warmer, so... Oh no, something's leaking. Never a good sign.
No! How do you say it? Briogeo? Is that how you say it?
Yeah, Briogeo.
This is like, well, it was only... I guess to show you what it looks like.
It's
only like leaking a little bit, but right around here somewhere, that white stuff's from this bottle. But anyway...
That's the first item.
I'm glad I get to try it, but see, it's leaking right here. Leaking. I should put it in my hair right now.
I was gonna say, hopefully it pumps still okay. Like,
I'm all... No, stick it in my hair now. I probably have like white stuff in my hair. Don't waste any. No. Okay, second thing is Tarte High Performance Naturals Reinforced with the Sea Volume 3. I don't know.
I know, it's getting everywhere now.
I don't know if that's like on me or on the thing. It's more conditioner in my hair. I'm hoping it's conditioner anyway. Should I just, I'll just show it. I mean, I don't know.
I can try.
Maybe I'll look at it later and I don't know.
Possible giveaway material.
Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick and Havana Nights.
I like long lasting liquid lipsticks.
Well, I think it's liquid, right. There's that. And then Starlux Black Ultralux Longwear Eye Pencil. So I take it's not a liquid eyeliner, I'm guessing.
It looks like it's a stick.
I don't know. There's that. And then I think this is the last thing is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Oh, there's two of them though. I can give one to my sister.
Oh, yay, thank you. Let's see if it's the kind you have to rinse off.
Yeah, there's that. For normal to dry skin. So seems like it's stuff I can use, which is good. But we own a lot of like products, obviously.
It took me forever to figure out where the instructions were. You can put it on and leave it on and just rub the rest into the skin, which I like those. I hate having to rinse off. I told her I should have put so many things in the giveaway from before where they're like masks that you have to like rinse off after 20 minutes or you have to use a washcloth and scrub them up. I'm like, I don't have time for that. So yeah.
And I was just telling our audience we own a lot of products too, so it's like, yeah, we don't get a chance to use everything.
Yeah.
So
yeah, well, that's why more for a giveaway usually. So hopefully if this palette thing or whatever it is, if she doesn't want it, then we can put that in our giveaway, but she will see if she does. And thanks for watching our video. You guys have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time.
take care.
Bye.